Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine? Yes, I hope you all are fine, safe at your home and enjoy your online studies. Okay, and do your homework, do your classwork. Those we have done in your video. So please copy all the things, copy your syllabus in your notebook. Okay, and let's practice also. Okay, revise the spellings, revise the number names, all. Okay, in your previous video we have done all 1 to 20 number names. So now we will learn reverse counting. You know what is reverse counting? Yes, ulti ginti. Reverse counting means ulti ginti. Reverse counting also say and backward counting. Reverse counting also say backward counting also. So write down the heading reverse counting. Right here R E V E R S E reverse. And what is the spelling of counting? C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G. Counting. Reverse counting. Okay. Now, you have also lines. So take out your math notebook, block 1 and write the heading. Okay. Write down the heading. Okay, so this is your math lines. Now reverse counting. In your previous video we have done 30 to 1. Okay, reverse counting 30 to 1. So now we will start 40 to 1. 40 to number 1. Okay. So write here 40 to 1. Write down the heading. Write down the heading 40 to 1 reverse counting. Now let us start from 40 to number 1. Okay. Are you ready? First write the place value. So tens and ones. Okay. Start from 4040. Why? Because here 4040. So start from 4040. 4040. Now before number 4040. Before number 3939. Before number of 39 3838. Before number of 38 3737. Before number of 37 3636. Before number of 36 3535. Before number of 35 3434. Before number of 34 3333. And before number of 33 3232. And at last 3131. So copy from the board from 4040 to 31. Write fast. 4040 to 3131. Reverse counting. Then before number of 31 is, first you write the place value and then write what is the before number of 31? 30, 30. Zero in our oval shape. 30, 30. Now what is the before number of 30? 2, 9, 29. Before number of 29? 2, 8, 28. Then before number of 28? 2, 7, 27. Before number of 27? 2, 6, 26. Before 26? 2, 5, 25. Then before 25? 2, 4, 24. Okay. Then before 24? 2, 3, 23. Before 23? 2, 2, 22. And then 2, 1, 21. Okay. So follow this 40 to 21. Write fast. 40 to 21. Okay. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32 and 31. Check your notebook. Any mistake? No? Very good. Now on 30 line, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Let us check all your line. Any mistakes there? So you correct it. Once again, after 21, you drop one line. Drop one line and write down the place value again. Tens and ones. So here also write tens and O stands for ones. Write fast 40 to 21. When the time of reverse counting, you take your chart, okay, number chart and check. Okay, check your reverse counting from your number chart. Because in your number chart, forward counting there, so you check your reverse counting to forward counting. Okay, so that is easy for you. Now, what is the before number of 21? What is the before number of 21? 20, 20. Right here, 20, 20. All of you write 20, 20. Now, before 20, which number will come? Before 20, 19 will come. 19. Before 19, 18. 18. Okay, write with me. Before number 18, 17. Write 17. Then before number of 17, 17 is 1616. Write here 1616. Now before number of 16 is 1515. So write 1515. Now before number of 15 is 1414. Write here 1414. Then before number of 14, 1313. Before 13, 1 2 12, and before number 12, 11. Okay. So numbers from 20 to 11. Right now, write fast in your math notebook. From 4040 to 1111. Write fast. Now what is the before number of 1111? After 11, you drop one line. Once again write tens and ones. And write the before number of 11. Before number of 11 is 1010. Write down 1010. Before number of number 10, 9, only number 9. Then before number of 9, 8. Before number of 8, 7. Before number of 7, 6. Before number of 6, 5. Before number of 5, 4. Before number of 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Okay. So you write 10 to 1 and write 9 to 1 in ones column. Okay. Don't write here. So write fast 10 to 1. After writing, we will revise all the numbers from 40 to 1 in reverse mode. So write fast. Write fast all the numbers. numbers from 40 to 1. Now let us revise all the numbers in reverse mode. Okay. So let us start reverse counting from 40 to 1. Okay. So finger out on your notebook where you write reverse counting. Start 4040. Okay, 4040. 3939. 3838. Let's take your reverse counting in your math notebook. So start 3737. 3636. 3535. 3434. 3333. 3232 and 3131. Okay, all the numbers 40 to 31. Now move to the next line. Finger out on 3030. Now let us start 3030. 2929. 2828. 2727. 2626. 2525. Match your notebook. 2424. 2323. 2222 and last 2121. 3221. Check. Okay, now move to the next line from 20. From 2020. Okay, so now let's check 2020, 1919, 1818, 1717, 1616, 1515, 1414, 1313, 12 or 11. So your line 20 to 11 checked. Okay, any mistakes are there, use your eraser and correct it. Okay, see the board and correct the mistake. Now move to the next line, 10 to 1. Let's check 1 0 10. Then this line 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. 10 to 1. So your reverse counting from 40 to 1 done in your math notebook. Now you revise again and again in reverse mode. Okay, आपको उल्टे गिनती गिनना है. डायरेक्ट वाली गिनती तो आपको आती है 1 to 100. नाउ उल्टे गिनती आपको कहाँ तक आना चाहिए? 40 to 1. तो आपको रिवाइज भी बोलते भी आना चाहिए और आपको लिखते भी आना चाहिए. ओके, और लिखने का क्या है आपका ट्रिक? फर्स्ट यू राइट फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग, देन यू राइट फॉरवर्ड टू रिवर्स. Okay, I am giving you example. First you write 30 to 40 on your rough page and then you write reverse counting. So you check and write what is the reverse counting. Okay, हमने किया था ना पहले हम फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग लिखते थे, फिर हम उसको उल्टा करके लिखते थे, बिफोर नंबर्स लिखते थे. So like this you try this reverse counting. Okay, so in your syllabus 42 ones are there. So you have to practice 4040 to 1 in your math syllabus. And we have done number names also. So you have to practice number names from 1 to 2020. So daily you have to practice for number names. अगर मैं नहीं लिखवाऊंगी तो भी आपको राइट करना है और आपको लर्न करना है. ओके, डेली यू हैव टू राइट 1 to 10. And one day you write 11 to 20. One day again you write 1 to 10. And one day you write 11 to 20. Okay, so this is your work. Okay, compulsory you have to write number names. And today's work is reverse counting. So you have to write reverse counting one time here, CW, and HW also you write reverse counting. So now your lecture is over. Now we will meet in your next video. So now bye and have a nice day.